Hello friends, today we will discuss about HCF. What is HCF? HCF means highest common factor. It is also called GCF, greatest common factor. Before discussing about HCF, our concept about factor should be clear. Please refer to my previous video to know in details about factor. Factor. When a smaller number divides a bigger number exactly, then the smaller number is called the factor of the bigger number. Example, 2 is a factor of 6 because 2 exactly divides 6. What is common factor? If a number is a factor of 2 or more whole numbers, it is called common factor of the number. Example, first we will write the factors of 30. So, 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 15 and 30. Factors of 45, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. So, which is common? 3 is common, 5 is common and 15 is common. But we need to find the highest common factor. So, which is the highest common factor here? 15 is the highest common factor. There are different methods to find HCF. Let's discuss the first method by listing the factors. Let's find HCF of 30 and 24. We will first write the factors of 30. So which are the factors of 30? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. And factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. So, which are the common factors here? 1 is common factor, 2 is common factor, 3 and 6. But we need to find the HCF, means highest common factor. So, which is the highest common factor here? 6 is the highest common factor. So, HCF of 30 and 24 is 6. Let's discuss the second method. Let's find HCF of 144, 192, 216 by prime factorization method. First we will find the prime factors of 144. We will take a smallest number that can divide 144. Which is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest number. What we need to do now? We will divide 144 and 2. What we are getting? 72. Then we will again take a smallest number that can divide 72. That's 2. What will be multiplied to 2 so that the answer will be 72. 36 should be multiplied to 2 to get 72. 2 multiply 18 is 36. 2 multiply 9 is 18. 3 multiply 3 is 9. 3 multiply 1 is 3. Now we need to find HCF of 192. So, like we did before, we will find prime factors. Again, we will take a smallest number that can divide 192. That's 2. What should be multiplied to 2 to get 192? 96. So 2 multiply 96 is 192 and we will do like this till we get 1. So which are the prime factors? 2, 2. So prime factors of 144 are 2, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3. So which are the prime factors of 192? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 1. Prime factors of 216, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 and 1. So now we will write all the prime factors of all the number. Now we will see which is common. 2 is there in the factors of all the three numbers. 2, 2, 2 and 3. 2 is there 3 times and 3 is there 1 time. So we will find the product of this common fact. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 is 24. Let's discuss the third method. By division method, we will find the HCF of 12, 18 and 30. First we will write the numbers 12, 18 and 30. Then we will take a smallest number that can divide 12, 18 and 30. That's 2. After dividing, we will write the result below the numbers. What is the result? 6, 9 and 15. Now again we will think of a smallest number that can divide 6, 9 and 15. Let's try 2. Can 2 divide 9 and 15? No. So we will check 3. Yes, 3 can divide 6, 9 and 15. So after dividing we will write the result below it. There are no numbers that can divide 2, 3 and 5. So we will stop. Now we will see the left hand side. There are two numbers, 2 and 3. So now we will multiply it. 2 and 3, we are getting 6. So HCF of 12, 18 and 30 is 6. Let's see the fourth method, long division method. We will find the HCF of two numbers, 144 and 252 by long division method. To do this, first we will divide the bigger number by the smaller number. So we are dividing 252 and 144. So we are getting 1 as the quotient and 108 as the remainder. So now we will make the remainder the divisor and the previous divisor the dividend. So after dividing we are getting 1 as the quotient and 36 as the remainder. Now we will again divide. So 36 multiplied 3 is 108. So we are getting 0 remainder. Now we need to stop. So HCF of 144 and 252 is 36. Then let's see the HCF of three numbers by long division method. So which are the numbers? 144, 252 and 108. First we need to divide any two numbers. So I am dividing 144 and 252. I am getting 1 as the quotient, then getting remainder 108. The main rule here is the remainder will be the divisor and the previous divisor will be the dividend. So after dividing we are getting 108 remainder. Again we are making the previous divisor the dividend. Dividing, getting 36 as the remainder, and then again dividing we are getting 0 as the remainder. So what is the HCF of 144 and 252? That's 36. So now we will divide 36 and the third number. What is the third number? The third number is 108. So after dividing we are getting 3 as quotient and 0 as remainder. So HCF of 144 and 252 and 108 is 36. Thank you.